If you know me, I wouldn't be Mrs. Glass without my bling. And I'm excited because I've partnered with a brand that gives us all a great timeless look. They provide nickel-free, hypoallergenic, waterproof, non-tarnish, ethical, everyday, affordable jewelry. Luisa offers earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, solid gold, and even permanent jewelry. They have varying designs of every style of jewelry. Look at how adorable this little martini glass is. I'm obsessed. I am a martini gal, so I have my eye on that little charm. But let's get into what I was sent, shall we? This is their little packaging. How cute. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you too, Luisa. Opening her up, it says, "You're looking so fine." We get into this little packaging. I'm a sucker for a good package. This is the necklace. This is called the Everyday Charm. Look at how adorable. Look at how girly. Look at how cute. It has a cherry, a jaden, a heart, butterfly, and a bow. Oh my God, it's so girly. I love it. They also sent a ring. The packaging, again, these little boxes. This is called the Jaden ring. I'm so here for it. Although it's not a set, now, even though they're not listed as a set online, they go together because this little dangly ring has a little Jaden piece right here, and I'm so here for it. Let's put her on. This is so cute. I will definitely be putting this in my everyday jewelry rotation. I love it because I feel like this is so dainty. I can also mix and match with my other gold pieces. And the ring, I'm here to die for. I love a little dangly ring like that. I can also possibly stack it up. I have it on my pinky ring because I feel like a woman should always have a classic little pinky ring. But you can also put it on your ring finger and it looks so adorable. It's also backed by a 2-year warranty, so that is a great perk. They also have affordable prices starting at $39. They also have a high-end line of solid gold, only starting at $65. I'm gonna go order more right now, and thank you so much to Luisa. Don't forget to check out the link in my description. I'll see you guys soon and show you my next round. Bye!